Hello guys, welcome back to my channel DP Design, and in this video I am going to start a tutorials on Solidworks motion study. So what you can perform in motion study after assembling your components, okay, and it should be a properly constrained like this, okay. So in this you can operate the functionals part of the assemblies, right? So let's say I have this jack, okay. If I rotate this, it will go upper side, right? This is the car jack. So I am going to show you the basic motion study for now as a beginner, so that you can understand, okay. What you have to do, you start with the model, you give it a proper constraint like this, okay. There is a screw mate, and this is how you can apply the mates. After mating your component, what you can do, you can just go to the motion study. There will be an option before motion study. If I delete this, let's say I am going to create a new motion study, and I am going to delete this. How it looks from the beginning, that's I want to show you. So in this you can see two options are there, animation and basic motion. For now advanced motion is not required because you are not doing any kind of simulation with the motion study. Also you can do simulation with the motion study as well, but for now as a beginner we will learn only animation and basic motion. But if you want to enable your advanced motion study, what you can do, you can just go to the Solidworks settings and enable the Solidworks motion. Now motion analysis will be there, that is the advanced motion techniques, right? Also you can go to the add-ins from this settings and enable the motion from here, and also you can enable at a startup, okay. So this is how it looks. I want to enable this as a basic motion. Don't keep it to the animation, just turn it the basic motion. If you are applying motors, if you are applying springs, dampers and graphs, okay. So for that you need to require the basic motion, okay. So my assembly is properly constrained and properly screw made. There is no error in the assembly, okay. That is the requirement to perform the motion study. Now there are a lot of options available over here. I am going to teach you first motor, then springs, damper spring, then forces, contacts, gravity and results, okay. For now I will apply the motor on this cylindrical portion, right? And you can also see there are a lot of options like a rotary motion, rotary motors, linear motor, and also you can select the components, you can select the reference. And if you know the your motor is not running at a constant speed, so there are various options where you can give the distance oscillating, okay. You can apply the frequencies of that. You can also get the graphs, and in that you can apply the graphs and how accordingly your motor will move, okay. So there is a servo motor as well, velocity, displacement, acceleration. For now I will select the constant speed, which means my displacement tie graph is here and it will be constant throughout the time. I will apply the 200 for now, okay. On the opposite direction, so I will flip it, okay. In this direction motor will run, okay. So as you can see, the timeline has been created for the motor and overall timeline of the car. So you can turn it on up to this 6 second or 10 second, whatever you can do. I will just turn it up to 6 second. I don't want to take much time, okay. And this is the time frame where you can see my animation is running over here. So yeah, that's it. Now the main part of this, the calculation. Now you have to calculate. If you play before that, this will run, just because it is not the motion analysis, advanced motion analysis, that's why, okay. So better you calculate every time, okay. So now it is running, all the time frame is getting calculated. Now you can play, it will run very smoothly. Okay, great. To save the animation, you can just go to the save animation, whatever aspect ratio you want. Your requirements you can fulfill here, and AVI is there, MP4 is there, all the file formats are there. So accordingly you can select your preferences and record the video. It will be very smooth, and it will be in HD, so there is no problem. Okay, that's all. That is the basics in the motion study to start with. Start with the motor, and we will start next time the springs, damper springs, and also forces and contacts we will explore later. Also the time frame is also very important. Okay, so that's it for the video, and we will surely meet in the next video with the next topic. So till then, thanks for watching. Keep sharing, keep learning.